using warm medicinal oil. It's called Januvasti and I'm sharing more about it in this video. In Sanskrit, Janu means knee and Vasti means staying or holding, which is why this treatment ensures that an oil concoction stays on the knee in order to aid in healing. Vasti is an age-old practice used for balancing doshas and it's actually used on various parts of the body. And Janu Vasti is a localized treatment focusing on the knees. This therapy begins with a recitation of a verse from the Ashtanga Hridayam, which encompasses the essence of the 8 branches of Ayurveda.
शतदानुशक्तान् अशेषगायान् प्रश्रुतान् अशेषान् औस्तुक्यमोहां रतिदान् जगान यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै.
This prayer instantly fills the room with positive vibrations, creating a deeply healing and relaxing environment. Next is to stimulate the nerves, and this is done with a massage. Therapists begin by lightly massaging the knee. Lukewarm oil is used in this to penetrate the skin better during the treatment. In order to give more relief, especially in case of knee pain, a bit of sweda or warm compress may be used. So here they are using potlis. These are small pouches made of various medicinal herbs tightly wrapped in a muslin cloth. Then these are heated on a bed of stones rather than directly on heat, as this helps to achieve optimal temperature. Heating these potlis helps to activate and release the medicinal properties of the herbs inside, thereby increasing their effectiveness. These potlis are lightly tapped and applied all over the knee in circular patterns and also held longer at certain points to apply pressure. During this process, a third therapist assists to reheat the potlis quickly at an impressive speed, ensuring that the warm compress massage is streamlined and uninterrupted. Potli compress is applied for about 10 minutes or so, after which the knees are wiped with a warm towel to remove excess oil or residue. Then a small well made out of dough is placed around the knee and sealed tightly using water. Usually the dough is made of wheat or urad dal, and this has to be firm enough to adhere to the skin and hold the liquid. They press it down carefully by adding more dough or water